Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Incredible Tiny Homes. Look at this beautiful warehouse. All these pretty homes being built here at Incredible Tiny Homes in Morristown, Tennessee. We got a little feature for you this morning, and we're going to show you our men at work. And this is a little tribute to the guys working today on this Friday. They're going to get their paychecks, and they're heading home in the evening after working all week in this cold weather. And I thought I'd give this little tribute. If you guys can hang in there with me, and we're going to show you them working. How's that? Well, while we show you where they're working, we like to whistle while we work. But because I can't whistle, right, Amanda? I can't whistle. I'm going to sing a little tune. How's that? Amanda, are you ready? Everything to know about me is written on this page. A number you can reach me, my social and my age. Yes, I served in the Army. It's where I learned to shoot. 18 months in the desert, pouring sand out of my boots. No, I've never been convicted of a crime. I can start this job at any time. I got a strong back, steel toes. I rarely call in sick. A good truck, but I don't know. I catch on real quick. I work weekends if I have to, nights and holidays. Give you 40 and then some, whatever it takes. $3 and change at the pump. The cost of living high is going up. I put Robert down as a reference. He knows me all my life. We attended the same church. He introduced me to my wife. I gave him my last job, everything, before I headed south. Took the shoes off my feet, food out of their mouths. Yesterday my folks offered their help, but they're barely getting by themselves. I got a strong back, steel toes, rarely call in sick. A good truck, but I don't know. I catch on real quick. I work weekends if I have to, nights and holidays. Give you 40 and then some, whatever it takes. $3 change at the pump. The cost of living high is going up. How's that? Isn't that nice?
Very nice.
That's a tribute to the guys.
To your guys, that's right.
That's what when I read these words, that's what I got right here. How'd you like that, guys?
Woo!
Yeah. Hey, right here. I got a strong back and steel toes. I rarely call in sick. A good truck and what I don't know, I catch on real quick. I work weekends if I have to, nights and holidays. Give you 40 and then some, whatever it takes. $3 and change at the pump. The cost of living high.
Woo! Good job! Hard-working guys, and it is cold blood.
Yeah.
It's cold. You can't see it, but it's cold.
Hey! Come on, give me 20, give me 20. Oh, come on, go! Hey! Hey!
Woo!
Go, Teddy, go!
Teddy!
Go! Look at him, go! Yeah!
Look at that. Awesome.
Look at Teddy, go!
Teddy!
Look.
Oh my God! Yeah! Woo! Hey, give a progress on Teddy real quick.
Teddy, how many pounds you lost?
Huh?
How many pounds have you lost?
22.
22 pounds, Teddy Falls. Good job, Teddy. Woo! 22 pounds. That is awesome.
Yeah. Hey, that song was from Ronnie Dunn,
Yeah.
Brooks and Dunn, and I listen to all kinds of music, but I was raised on country music, and that's just the way it is. I hate to stereotype myself, but that's just the way it is, isn't it? But when I read that, the part in here that was really cool is I work 40 and then some, and
Yeah.
we all do. They all give more, and I work weekends and holidays if I have to, whatever it takes.
Right.
That's what we do here.
That's right.
And that's a tribute to the guys that produce these homes
Right.
for you, for me, and make a living here. We're American men trying to do the American dream, feeding our families, building houses, driving trucks and cars, having our kids trying to grow up and be decent citizens of this world.
Yeah.
And trying to get to the end till we get to the ground.
Right.
You know? So, come on, let's go show you what's been going on. This is just a real quick video. I want to show you guys.
And two, I want a special song sung to all the girls in the office, especially to
I'm
Alyssa, because
sorry.
she's your
Here.
favorite.
I'm
'Cause
sexist.
Listen,
I'm sexist.
Because see, she's your favorite.
I'm sexist.
So she's your favorite. So you'll sing a song to Alyssa because you appreciate us so much.
Listen, drives me in the ground every morning.
He fires Alyssa every day. So
You don't know what I got to deal with.
wow, the outside of this one looks great.
Yeah, Sharon, that stuff she did was awesome. It was a real simple name. What was it again?
I don't know, because it didn't turn it gray, but it looks pretty.
It's
The bottom
gray
part,
right
it's
here.
got it right
It's
there.
really gray right here.
Yeah,
Yep.
I think it looks good with the more red in it.
Think
I think
about
it
it.
looks good.
I am not bringing you. I never bring you except for delivering a house. It's every show we bring you is about homes. It's about homeowners. It's about something in the business that'll qualify us to build tiny homes. I'm not in my truck looking at myself at y'all. We're here showing you this industry.
Right.
This is an industry. We got 25, 30 people working here.
Yeah.
And if you didn't see it last night, this is like a lead-based backer wall to keep the radiation from her solar system.
Wasn't it EMF or something?
EMF?
Yeah, I believe
and
so.
that's what it's going against. So that's a neat. I like it. It's neat. It's different. So that's cool. Brian, we're putting on the solar today and tomorrow on Lofi's house. They get solar and water on Burns. They're leaving out
Yeah.
Sunday. He's leaving out. He could leave out tomorrow if he wanted. He'd probably stay a couple days with us.
Right.
And he's just homesteaded here. He's put all his belongings out on my floor. I'm going to get on him about it.
He's squatted. I'm going to get the front of Sharon's over here. Morning, Brian.
Boondock.
Beautiful.
And then we showed this last night. They've done wonderful.
Oh,
I
yeah.
wanted to meet Albert. Albert's been the supervisor on this job for us all week.
And it's the first time.
His first supervision job.
Yeah, his first workshop.
Yep. Here's their stairs.
Oh,
the stairs
wow.
that go into really high risers
Yes.
because of the short distance that we have to go up vertically.
Exactly.
high.
Right.
Here's Mark.
Morning, Mark.
Mark is perfect shape. Look at him. Where's Albert at?
Oh, the walls went up since last night. That's
Oh,
awesome.
did you take off? Yeah, they got the wall up
Yeah.
inside.
Mhm.
Awesome.
That is
There's Mom.
great.
Stairs are gonna go up. Oh,
Hey, please. Good morning. Yeah, the walls
And
went
the
up since last
camera.
night. That's great.
stairs go
Yep.
right there.
Can you see inside
I
there?
can. Yeah. That is great.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Door will be going in, and they're going to knock it out today.
Yeah,
We'll have
look.
the cabinets, the stairs, all that'll be in today.
Oh yeah. Let me get the side of the
So that'll
stairs.
get you back on. That'd be
Oh yeah, the stairs look
Yeah.
great.
good. And then last night, Alexandra put some metal around the top.
Yeah.
Which I thought was cool that she was able to do that.
Yeah.
And it kind of, she likes the copper color, so it
I do
defines it,
too.
you know? Yeah, it trims it out.
Yeah. Good
And
deal.
that's what you get to do at a workshop. She got to play around with it, you know?
Right. Is that Albert? That's him, right?
Yeah, there's Albert. Yeah, let's go talk to Albert.
Albert.
Morning, Albert.
How's it going?
Morning.
Good morning. How we doing? We're on Facebook. How's it going?
He's been a superintendent on our his first workshop.
Yep. First one. It's going great too. I love it. I'm excited.
Yeah?
Good morning. Yes.
How's it been?
It's
With
been
working
wonderful.
with the folks and stuff?
Oh yeah, wonderful. Yeah. You can see we're almost done. Matter of fact, on schedule.
Oh my God,
That's
it's
great.
like
That's
killing.
great.
This is great.
Yes.
About the smoothest one that's been. They've had good volunteers.
All of it. Yes.
Yeah,
Yep.
you've been
From
spot
day-
on.
from day one.
And this is her blueprint.
Yep. This
Yep.
is the blueprint. We're looking at it here. It's
Yep.
We're done. We're done. We're putting a tub and sink in
Yeah,
right
the
now.
wall was up and
Yeah, we're
everything.
doing the walls now. We'll get the stairs in. Come back in 10 minutes. I'll have these stairs in. They'll look
Is that
wonderful.
not
That is
awesome?
wonderful.
All right.
You've done a
Yeah,
great
Get back
job,
at it.
Albert.
Thank you guys.
Yeah. Yeah.
Man, that's awesome.
Man.
That's Kevin's boy.
That's Kevin's boy. That's
Yeah.
that's a Ruggles. We got 5 Ruggles here. The
I
last name's
know.
Ruggles.
It's like its own animal, like a
Yeah.
Ruggles is a species.
I'll take a bullet for guys like that.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
great.
Awesome. He loves
Yeah.
it here. I want to create an environment for these men to work hard, work good, and have, man, just enjoy it. You can tell he loves what he's doing.
Oh,
and
he's
I
ex-
want to
he's
make that
pumped up.
environment here that he does love it.
Yeah.
And I'll do whatever I got to do.
Well, he's proud of what he's doing.
Yeah.
He's doing a good job.
Yeah. And those people are here. That's their hard-earned money building a house in here that's going to last 20, 30, 40 years down the line.
It's a life-changing
It is.
thing.
And we know that
Yep,
here.
that's
It's
right.
not just a house. We're trying to make a buck so I can get in my fancy truck and go down the road and video myself. I'm not doing that.
Nope.
I'm here to show you guys this is your homes. I know what it's like. I know what it's like to have the money and put into something that lasts.
Yeah.
You know, I was raised here. My mom and dad's worked hard all their life. Amanda's worked hard all her life. All of us here are from working. But we're smart too. And we know what we know. We know how to add 1 and 1 and makes 2, right? And
Right.
that's how you create a company. That's how you make a business. You pay your bills and you keep going, right?
Yeah. And you
We
take
gotta
care of
work.
your guys and girls.
Here's Kevin. That's Albert's dad.
That's right.
Carrying that cabinet in there for Sharon.
I know.
Ain't that something?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right, everybody. We'll say goodbye.
Yeah.
And maybe
We'll
back
update
tonight.
later tonight.
Yeah.
Do we know about what time or something to kind
We'll
of
go
give them an
about 7?
idea? I say 7's good, don't you?
Can you come back maybe at 7?
I will come back at 7. Yes, I will.
All right. And today, Jim's coming today. Hey, let's
Oh,
show
that
this
is
real
right.
quick.
Jim is coming.
We're spray foaming this right here.
12 by 36 big and over here.
You kind of can spray that Joseph spray foam.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
Yep.
Hey, Joseph. Wow.
Isn't that awesome?
Wow. Good deal.
These are steps that are pre-painted for another house. Teddy's been doing all the painting.
Oh, wow.
Stuff, staging it over here.
Yes.
Yeah, it's non-stop.
Man, it's looking great.
Here you got a big stove. Guys come in here and get warm, can set
Yeah.
fire.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it feels good over here.
Yeah. All right, everybody, you've seen the workings. Glad you could come by.
Yeah.
Let's walk back there.
So we'll be back on at 7, but you may pop on too with Jim.
Yeah, I could. Yeah. Cool. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you. Have you have a great day, a great Friday. Got a weekend coming. If that's up to you, if you're going to have a weekend, and come back, enjoy this beautiful sunshine. We got warmer
I
weather coming
know.
to East Tennessee.
Yeah, it's lightening up and everything.
welcome.
Yep.
I got a strong back, steel toe, they rarely call in sick. A good truck, I don't know, I catch on real quick. I work weekends if I have to, nights and holidays. Give me 40 and then some, whatever it takes, $3 and change at the pump. The cost of living high.